Hello friends. In last video I showed you that I will be working on the carburetors. When I was disassembling the carburetors or removing the carburetors, I saw that this part has cracks in it, here very big cracks, and since it is very difficult to buy a new one, usually you have to go with a used one. I am trying to make an alternative. So what I want to do is create this base from aluminium, which you can see that I have already started working on it here, and then create grooves so I can get these rubber parts from a different motorcycle which I already have prepared, and just use them and change them. If they are cracked, I can buy a new ones and change them. So I will show you. I have bought these rubber parts from a different bike, which should be Honda Transalp 650 or something like that, I don't know, which seems to be pretty similar to the ones that I already have here. So now what I want to do is just create this boot. As you can see, it is a thick aluminium. So I will be first I need to cut it out. Since I do not have the necessary tools, I'm improvising a bit. So once I have cut this out, I will be creating the inner parts, and then using a file and filing it to prepare the boots. You can do this also with CNC, but this will be the first prototype only. If it is useful and working well, I will be maybe making some templates for CNC machines, and that could help other guys who have the same motorbike but cannot get these rubber boots. Yeah, this one is pretty. See, that could be also one of the issues why the carburetors were not working well as I am thinking about the pilot jet or the jets that I have to clean, and I will be doing that in the other videos. So let's have a look, and I will make a time lapse of the process how I do this, because it will take me a long time. This is the result. What is left to do? Put the rubber boots here and try it out.